Why is my oven blowing cold air?
I'm assuming you did not open the fridge by mistake.
I do not get that drunk.
An oven set to ventilate or run the fan but not with the heat turned on would run room temperature air.
It is set to cook the food.
If you set the oven to convection but the fan does not work, it just bakes. If you set it to convection, but the heating elements are not working, then it just blows air without heat.
I think the heating elements worked normally before.
Some ovens use the fan to blow the air drawn up from around the standard heating elements, while others use only a fan around the convection fan and blow that.
So if my oven uses a convection heating element when I set it to convection cooking and that heating element is dead, the thing just blows cold air.
You'll have the same result if the electrical connections for the heating element are disconnected or melted because the self-cleaning cycle destroyed those.
I'd be more concerned about the control board getting fried by a self-cleaning cycle.
If the control board is shot, it may turn on the fans when you tell it to do convection cooking but not the heating elements.
It does not do anything but blow cold air no matter what mode it is in.
If your oven usually uses fans to circulate hot air for more even heating and the heating elements do not heat up, you'll get an oven blowing cold air too, even if you aren't using convection mode.
And I thought that was a plus for energy efficiency.
Typically, recirculating the air ensures that items on the bottom shelf don't burn on the bottom before the top is done. Some ovens limit airflow, though, unless your cooking mode selection calls for it.
I could try picking a different cooking mode and see if the heating elements engage then.
If that works, I'd say the control panel is doing the equivalent of the grinding of death in a gaming console, on the fritz now but about to die.
The control board can cost as much as a third of the cost of a new oven.
You could try turning it off, then back on, to see if that resets it.
I've tried hitting the cooking profile options.
Your oven may have an off button to turn it all the way off, including the clock. Or you may need to do a hard reboot.
How do you hard reboot an oven short of kicking it?
Unplug it or turn it off at the breaker, wait for power to dissipate, then plug it back in or flip back the breaker.
I never thought my smart appliances would resort to the same solutions as my advanced electronics.